so today we're playing, well, we're not really playing, but we're playing with this kind of slime. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so it's slime, look at it. There's something right here that, I don't know, it's purple. And I didn't know what it is, so we need to check it out, okay? So, but it's really just slime. Let's check that thing. Let's check that. First, we're gonna check this. Okay, we're gonna check it. We're gonna check it. I'm scared what it is gonna be. So it's a Five Nights at Freddy's I hope there's no more because they're literally so scary. I'm just gonna put this over right. It's right here. Don't look at it if you want to see. See? It looks really cool. So I'm just gonna put it down on the table. So this purple's still there. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Let's get it out. It's a Five Nights at Freddy's funny. I said that they won't be no more, so I'm just gonna put it on the kitchen counter. Come on. There's more. I think there's more Five Nights at Freddy's. I hope there's not the Freddy one, because I'm like really scared of Freddy. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna put you on here. Sorry. So I'm just gonna open it. So we're just gonna open this slime up. I need to put you down, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so anyways, it's a Five Nights at Freddy's fox. Wait, hold on. Let me get that thing. Okay, so pirate eye. Okay, so guys, we found 3, but I don't know if there's gonna be more. Angie, how do you know something? Okay, guys, I'm scared. Let's see if there's more. Oh my gosh. Let's see if it's Freddy. I'm scared of Freddy. He's like the boss of all of them. It's a Five Nights at Freddy. It's Freddy. What? Five Nights at Freddy. It's a Freddy. Okay, guys. These are all my people. Starts by Freddy. And it's so cool. Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below if you like my videos a lot.